guys, welcome to Total Evelyn and Merry Christmas! How are you all doing? Do you like the dress? Getting in the mood to cook the turkey and to cook all the trimmings as well. Today's video is, I'm going to show you what I bought from my favourite shop. As you can see, Michael Kors. Love Michael Kors so much. Especially this year, I wanted to be really dressed up for Christmas because, well, we've had a bit of a bad sort of bumpy year. Even if it's just with your own family, I'm still going to party. I'm going to wear a beautiful dress and whatever else is in that bag. I'll show you the goods and I'll try it all on. Welcome back to Total Evelyn. I hope you don't think I'm a really spoilt female, but you know, I became that way because when I had a boyfriend back in the day, I always got a Christmas present and I always bought him a Christmas present. So every year since I've not had a boyfriend, I decided that I don't need a boyfriend just so that I can get nice gifts. I can spoil myself and really look after me. So the money that I used to spend on the boyfriend, I spend on It's a great thing to do because if you are single, never leave yourself out. Think about the presents that you might have got from your partner in the past. My ex-partner bought me lots of lovely presents and he really did spoil me, so now I just spoil myself. What's in the bag? Ooh. I'm loving this little dress. I got it online, you know, the little shops that pop up when you're busy doing something else, and I seen it. I can't even remember where I got it, but I got two. I got the snowman one and this, and they're like you've got pyjamas on. It's just so silky and smooth. It's lovely. Anyway, get on with the video, Evelyn. First up, I have the dress that I'm going to be wearing later on today. Not resist this. Oh, I've got three things in this bag. We have a very heavy, luxurious dress, right down to the ankles. Oop, come on, bag, out the road. Come on, it's a busy day, stop it. Oh dear, right. And it's really sort of long and flary. So nice, it's got lots of stars on it. I hope these don't come off. I better make sure I've got the turkey already and everything's sliced in the oven so that I can just prance about and look pretty in my beautiful dress. Loving this, I'll try that on later to show you what it's like. Of course you had to buy the shoes to go with it, even though you're in the house. No point letting the side down. Small heel because I'll be in the house. I'm not going to wear big clobbers. I'll need to make sure I've done my toes. Did I do my toes? Yes, I did. Toes are all done. So they're quite high up here and nice leather sandals. And they're nice. They're really comfortable. That's the shoes. Don't know why I bought a handbag because I'd be in the house, but I still thought this was an absolute bargain from Michael Kors on the sale. Week before Christmas, take advantage of the handbags because they always go in the sale. This was about 30% off. And you can't go wrong with a Michael Kors handbag. Pretty little silver one, which I thought would go nice with the little stars on the dress, and it would tie in quite nicely with the white shoes as well. Now there's a bit here at the back for your phone. Loving it, loving it, loving it. And I'll show you all that outfit on once I get my shower. Better hurry up and get the turkey sorted now and get organised. I'm going to get myself a glass of champagne with some fresh orange juice in it. That's my usual, what is it called? A Bucks Fizz. Guys, I hope you have a really lovely Christmas. I hope you enjoy the outfit. See you on the next one. Keep safe and lots and lots of love. Thank you so much for watching. Do remember to subscribe, like and share. And if you are enjoying the videos and you want to see more, then do hit that little bell for the notifications.